Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 2. In that we are going to see exercise 10.2. So these are the questions here for this one. I've pasted here 4 questions. So let us see the first question here. Name the point that is in the interior of angle DOF. So this is the figure given. So here in the interior of this is DOF. So interior means the inside. Which are the points? So we can see the points here A, B and E. So this is here A, B and E. In the exterior of angle DOE, exterior means the outside. DOE, can you see here? This is DOE, the exterior of that is going to be sorry for that. Yes. So the exterior of this is going to be F and DOE. So exterior the points are this one F and this is C. So here on FOE. So you can see FOE is here. So on that which all points you can see FO, then B and E. So that is FO, B and E. Because this is given on. So again I'll repeat, this one will be FO, B and E because this is the angle. Which of the angle each of the following pairs is greater? So now you can see this one when you compare this and this one. So which one is greater you can see. So here this will be Z. So this is, you can see this is slightly, because you know this is, if we take this angle, this is going to be 90 and this goes on, this becomes more than 90. So this angle, so here this angle is more. So we can say ZYX is, when we put like this sign means that is greater than this, we can say CBA or ABC, both is the same. So here, whenever see here, we put this sign, means this is, we can say this is the crocodile's mouth. So it goes towards the bigger. So this is the bigger angle. So this is with the greater than CBA or ABC. Then if you are comparing this and this one, so here you know this will be, this is 90 degree and this is going to be, so again as I said here, so this is 90 and whichever are inside they will be less than 90. So definitely this angle will be greater than this one. So we can say angle ABC or CBA is greater than X, that is given here. Actually it should be, this also is given as X and this also is given as X. So either it can be, this can be Z or this can be Z1. So we can say XY. So this is a printing mistake. Both are given as X. So it can be XYZ. We can assume it as XYZ. So either this can be Z or this can be Z. So now if we compare these two angles. So this is actually whenever this part and this is there, that is going to be 180. And this will be less than 180. So we can say XYZ is greater than this one. We can say ABC or CBA. So this is here. So now we are going to classify the following angles as acute, obtuse, right and straight angle or reflex angle. So acute means it will be less than 90 degree. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. And right means exactly 90 degree. Straight means it is going to be 180 degree. And reflex angle, what do you mean by reflex angle? Means it will be more than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees. So this is slightly different for you. So this is going to be some, see, as I told you, this was 90 degree. So here whatever this is outside, this is going to be more than 90, and whatever inside angles is going to be less than 90 degree. Then if we take this angle, this is going to be 180 degree. And whenever we have, I'll show you the reflex one. So this is acute one. sorry, this is given. Yeah, so actually this is not acute because the arrow is shown here like this. That means this is a reflex angle because it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees. So this is a reflex angle, means whenever the angle is given and it is shown like this, means this is a reflex angle. Then this one exactly, that is 180, that is straight angle. This is going to be 90 degree, that is going to be a right angle. This is inside angle is shown, means it is less than 90 degree, that is going to be acute angle. And can you see this one? So this is a straight one, but this is not slightly, it's not a straight one. So it is less than 180 degree, means what will be the in between 90 and this less than, means it is going to be obtuse angle, because obtuse angle is always going to be more than 90 degree, but it is not a straight one. So this is going to be the obtuse one. And again, this also is going to be the obtuse one. So these are all the answers for that one. So now you can see here in the given figure, measure all the angles and classify them as acute or obtuse. So now we can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you know acute means less than 90 degree and obtuse means more than 90 degrees. So here we can say, see here, this is less. So this is going to be acute. So here all the answers are given here. So acute angles means 1, 3, 5, and 7. So can you see here? This is 1. Again, this angle you can see 3. Then again, this angle you can see less than, and again, this one you can see that is less than 1. And this angle means, this side means it is going to be obtuse. Again, this side means this is going to be obtuse. Again, this one that is going to be obtuse. And this one, 6 one, that is going to be obtuse. So obtuse angles 2, 4, 6, and 8. Name the following as acute, obtuse, right, straight, or reflex angles. So now see, this is 72 degree means less than 90 degrees. So that is going to be acute angle. 100 means more than 90 degree. That is going to be obtuse one. 90 degree means it is going to be exactly 90 degree means right angle. 191 degree means 191 is going to be the reflex because it is more than 180 but less than 360. 35 means less than 90. That is going to be acute. 180 means exactly 180 means that is going to be straight angle. Then 176, that is going to be obtuse because it is less than 180 but more than 90. So it will be this way. So that is 176 means that is going to be obtuse. 270 means it is more than 180 but less than 360. That is going to be the reflex one. 88 less than 90. So that is going to be acute. 91 more than 90. So obtuse. 15 less than 90. That is going to be acute. And 205 means more than 180 but less than 360. That is going to be reflex. So these are all the answers for that one. So now you have to write them in degrees. Two right angles. Two right angles means right angle is going to be 90. But if it is 2 means 90 that is multiplied by 2. So that is going to be 180 degree. Four right angles. So you know right angle 90 degree. 90 into 4. That is going to be 360 degree. 1.5 right angle. So one right angle means 90. Half of that is going to be 45. So when you add this both of them, because and means you're going to add it. So that is going to be 135 degree. 5 by 9 right angles. 5 by 9 right angles means right angle is 90 degrees. So 5 by 9 into 90. So 9 ones are 9 tens are. So 10 fives are, that is 50 degree. 3 by 4 straight angle. Straight angle means this is the straight angle, that is 180. So 3 by 4 into 180. So 4 ones are, and this is going to be, when you simplify this, 180 divided by that is going to be 45 here. So 45 into 3, that is going to be 135 degree. So hope this is clear. So I have written it over here so it becomes more clear. Answer the following questions related to a clock. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn to when it goes from 4 to 10 and 5 to 2. So see one here, I've written the answers here. So you know of a clock, this whole revolution that is going to be 12 hours. So from 4 to 10. So from 4 to 10, that is which hand is that? That is they said the hour hand of a clock. So from 4 to 10, hour hand moves how many? That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we don't have to consider 4. So it is going to be 6 hours. So what will we do? One full revolution is 12 hours. So from 4 to 10, that is going to be 6 divided by, because that is 6 hours from 4 to 10. 6 by 12. So 6 ones are 6 twos are. So that is going to be 1 by 2. And 5 to 2. So from 5 to 2 means here one revolution is 12 hours from 5 to 2. So that will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 1 and 2. So this is going to be 9. So 9 by 12 because total one revolution is 12. So when you simplify this 9 divided by 3 and this also 12 divided by 3. So that is going to be 3 by 4. So that is 3 by 4. So where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts at 1 and makes 1/4 of a revolution? And 6 and makes one complete revolution. This is 1/4 of a revolution and this is one complete revolution. So now we'll see here one full revolution that is 12 hours. So 1/4 of a revolution, they said here, that is 1/4 of a revolution. So one revolution is 12 hours. So 1/4 of a revolution means 1/4 of means we have to multiply it. And this is 12. So 4 ones are 4 threes are, that is going to be 3 hours. And then the next one they have said that is 6 starting from 1 and moving clockwise. So this is 1/4 of a revolution, but they said here if it starts from 1 and makes 1/4 of a revolution. So what will you do here? This is 3 hours. So it is starting from 1 and moving clockwise how many? This is 3 hours. So that will be 1 plus 3, that is going to be 4. So that will be, our hand will stop at 4. And 6, this is the first one is done. 6 and makes one complete revolution. So now one complete revolution is 12 hours and starting from 6 and makes one complete revolution means again what will you like? It is going to start with the 6 and make one complete revolution means here is 6, here is 6. It will start from 6 and again it is going to come be back at 6. So our hand will stop at 6. So this is clear to you. Find the number of right angles turned to by the hour end of the clock when it goes from 1 to 10 and 5 to 8. Right angles turned by our hand when it goes from 1 to 10 and 5 to 8. So here what we can do here. So one right angle is going to be 90 degree. So 3 hours this will be, so see here, this is a clock. So here there will be 12, 3, 6, 9. So one right angle is, this is going to be 90. So how many? When it starts from 1 and it will start, this is going to be 1 and it is going to stop at this 10. So here will be from 1 to 10 means it is going to be, so here one right angle is 90 degrees. So 3 hour movement on a clock. So from here this will be, this is 1 less and this is 1 more means 1, 2 and this is going to be 3 because now see here, this whatever is 1 more is here. So it is going to be 3 hour movement on a clock. So 3 right angles it is going to be here. So from 1 to 10 means it is going to be 9 hours. So 3 hours means 1 right angle because here we got, this is 1 right angle is 90, that is got 3 hour movement on a clock. So therefore this is going to be 9 hours will be how many? So 9 divided by 3, that is going to be 3 right angles. From 5 to 8. So from 5 to 8 means it is going to be 3 hours. So 3 hours means 1 right angle. So this one, this is going to be, therefore 3 hours will be 3 by 3, that is going to be 1 right angle. Hope this is clear to you. What direction will you face if you face east and make 1/4 of a revolution clockwise? So now here, this is north, south, these are the direction I will given over here. So you're facing this one, and if you go and make 1/4 of a revolution clockwise, clockwise means it goes like this. So from here, if you are going 1/4 means here this part is going to be 1/4 and you're going this way. So which direction are you going to face? That is going to be south. See, because it is given here clockwise. So clockwise means always it is going to be this way. So you're starting from east and you're going in the clockwise. So that is going to be 1/4 revolution means this is 1/4. So that is going to be south. Face south and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. So where is south is here. Anti-clockwise means you will go this way. So how many? That is 3/4. So this is 1, then this is the other part, and this is 3 because these are 3. So it is going to be west. So you're going from starting from here and going over here. So that is 3/4. Faced west and make 2.5 of a revolution anti-clockwise. So west is here, so here this is west is here and 2.5. 2.5 means from here you will go once, that again you are going to land over here. Again from here you will start, this is 2. Again you will land on the west, and half. Half means what will you do? This is quarter and this is half. So what are you going to do? From west to this one east. So 2 is already you are going to land on west only, and this is anti-clockwise means you will go like this because this is half of it. This quarter and this quarter, that is going to be half of it. So you are going to, because sorry, you are going to start from this one. So west, so that is going to be east. Here, classify each of the given figures as open or closed one. So now you can see this is open because here you can see this part is open, so it is open. So now this shape is there's no open part in it, so this is closed. This part is open, so this is open. Again, this part is open. Here you cannot see anything open part, so this is closed. Here again you cannot see anything open part, so this is a closed one. Draw 2 open curves and 2 closed curves. So these are the open ones. You can draw any curves as you wish, and these are the 2 closed curves. You can draw any figure, whichever you can feel it right for the open and the close. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.